Hello, synthesizer builders. This is the new Bart Musical Circuits number 76, common input logic gates. I've got this built as an AND, but by switching around which different CMOS logic chips you use, you could do OR or XNOR. There's 6 different kinds you can use. And so what this is it's just 3 logic gates that all have a common input, which is the one on the top, and then a individual input for their secondary input, and a single output, and it outputs 5-volt gates or triggers depending on, a trigger is just a short gate. I've been enjoying it, using it to kind of synchronize timing signals, and I thought I would make a little patch to show you how you would use this to make music. And I'll patch everything up before I turn it on just because the lights are kind of bright on this module and it's a little hard to see. But I'm going to take my outputs of it first to the quad release. So that's going to turn these into envelopes. And then my inputs are going to come from the 2 LFO module over here. And I'm using the square wave outputs of that. Since it's just working on logic, it doesn't really care whether it's a square or a triangle. And then this is the utility buttons. Is that what I called it? I make a lot of modules. Sometimes that stuff escapes me. Yes, utility buttons. I wrote it on the bottom, but I couldn't see it from there. And I'm going to use the tap tempo function on that to make more clock signals. And so we're going to have 4 actually, clocks that are kind of asynchronous, and this module is going to turn them all together into something that sounds vaguely like music, or maybe a lot like music. We'll see how it sounds, I guess. Let me put that tap tempo going. Let me speed that up. And so here you can, I don't know, it's maybe a little hard to see, but this red light and this white light, when they're kind of out of sync with each other, you hear less of that bass sound. Let me turn this up a little bit too, just in case you're not hearing it very well. And then if I slow this down, it'll... And let me show you what it sounds with, instead of a trigger output, just a gate output. Thanks for watching.